Today I will discuss about the determination of equivalent mass. Determination of equivalent mass. First is your equivalent mass of an element. How can you calculate the equivalent mass of an element? Equivalent mass of an element equal to atomic mass divided by valency. Suppose take example. Suppose take example number 1. Equivalent mass of sodium. How can you calculate? Atomic mass of sodium divided by valency of sodium. We know that the atomic mass of sodium is your 23. Valency of sodium is your 1. That is your 23. Take example number 2. Equivalent mass of magnesium. Atomic mass of magnesium divided by valency of magnesium. Then atomic mass, we know that atomic mass of magnesium is your 24. Valency of magnesium is your 2. That is your 12. In this way, we can find out the equivalent mass of an element. Similarly, how can you find the equivalent mass of an acid? Equivalent mass of an acid. Equivalent mass of an acid equal to molecular mass of acid divided by basicity. Before going to the calculation of an equivalent mass of an acid, now let me explain the term basicity. What is basicity? The number of replaceable H plus ion from an acid molecule is called basicity. Take the example HCl. Here when HCl undergoes dissociation, it gives H plus Cl minus. That means therefore basicity of HCl is your 1. Suppose take example HNO3. When HNO3 undergoes dissociation, it gives H plus NO3 minus. Therefore basicity of HNO3 is equal to 1. Similarly, suppose take H2SO4. When H2SO4 undergoes dissociation, gives 2H plus SO4 2 minus. Here 2 replaceable hydrogen, so the basicity of H2SO4 is your what? That is your 2. Similarly, take another example, acetic acid CH3COH. When it undergoes dissociation, it gives CH3CO minus H plus. Remember, there are 4 hydrogen are present, but only one replaceable hydrogen is possible. Therefore, the basicity of acetic acid CH3COH is your 1. The molecule may or may not have 2 or more or 1 any number of hydrogen. That is not important for the calculation of basicity. How many number of replaceable H plus is produced, that is very important for the calculation of basicity. Just like take the example, acetic acid have no doubt 4 hydrogen atom, but it only gives 1 H plus ion. So the basicity is 1. But we do not think about the basicity of acetic acid is 4. We only think about the basicity of acetic acid is 1 because it only gives 1 H plus ion. Now take the example calculation. For calculation, if you want to find out the equivalent mass of HCl, then molecular mass of HCl is your 36.5. How can you find out 36.5? 1 plus 35.5 divided by what is the basicity? That is your 1. So divide by 1. That is your 36.5 divided by 1 is your, that is your 36.5. Take example number 2. Equivalent mass of H2SO4. Molecular mass of H2SO4 means 2 into 1 plus 1 into 32 plus 4 into 16. 32 is the atomic mass of sulfur, 1 sulfur, so 1 into 32. 4 is the number of oxygen atom, and 16 the atomic mass. Divide by basicity of H2SO4. That is your 2. So we can divide 19. That is your total is your 98. Divide by 2 is your 49. Like that you can find out the equivalent mass of acetic acid HNO3. That is all about your equivalent mass of an acid. Next is your base. Equivalent mass of a base. Molecular mass of a base. Next is your, instead of basicity we can write acidity. Similarly, we can know what is acidity. Acidity. Basicity means number of replaceable H plus ion. Acidity means number of replaceable OH minus ion from a base. from a molecular base. The number of replaceable OH minus ion from a base molecule is called basicity. Now take the example. Sorry, that is called acidity, not basicity. Again, I repeat. Acidity means the number of replaceable OH minus ion from a base. NaOH, it is a base, it gives a Na plus OH minus. Therefore, it gives 1 OH minus. Therefore, basicity is your 1. Like calcium hydroxide. When it undergoes dissociation, it gives a Ca2 plus 2 OH minus. Therefore, the basicity is your 2. Like aluminium hydroxide. When it undergoes dissociation, it gives a Al3 plus 3 OH minus. Therefore, the basicity is equal to 3. That now take the example. Equivalent mass of NaOH means molecular mass of NaOH 1 into 23, that is your sodium atomic mass of sodium. 1 into 16 atomic mass of oxygen. 1 into 1 divide by acidity of NaOH is your 1, so divide by 1. That is your 40 divided by 1 means that is your 40 by 1 is equal to 40. Let me find out the equivalent mass of calcium hydroxide. Calcium have atomic number 20, mass is your 40. So 40 plus 2 into 1, 2 into 2, sorry, 2 into 1 number of hydrogen atom. Sorry, 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen, 2 is the number of hydrogen atom. 2 into 16 divided by calcium having basicity 2. It means 40 plus 2, that is 32 divided by 2. 40 is the atomic mass of calcium. 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen. There are 2 hydrogen atoms, so 2 into 1 plus 2 into 16 the atomic mass of oxygen, and 2 is the number of oxygen atom. Divided by acidity. There is a wrong term, that is your not basicity, that is your acidity. That is your said to be acidity. Remember one point, for base we can consider about the acidity, for acid we can consider of the basicity. Since we want to find out the equivalent mass of base, so we always need the help of acidity. Now what is the value? 40, that is 72, 74 divided by 2. 42, 74, that means 3. That is your 6, 14, 7, 37. 37 is the equivalent mass of calcium hydroxide. That is the equivalent mass of a base. First is your equivalent mass of an element. Second is your equivalent mass of an acid. Third is your equivalent mass of a base. Now equivalent mass of a salt. equivalent mass of a salt equal to molecular mass of salt divided by total positive charge or total negative charge. That is the formula. Let me explain this by an example. Equivalent mass of NaCl. NaCl is a salt. Then what will be the formula? Equivalent molecular mass of NaCl, that is your 2335.5 divided by total positive charge or negative charge. A salt, remember, a salt have equal number of positive charge and equal number of negative charge. NaCl when undergoes breakdown gives Na plus plus Cl minus. Na plus Cl minus. Here positive charge unit is 0. Magnitude of positive charge is 1. Here also magnitude of negative charge is 1. That means you can divide by 1. That is your 58.5 divided by 1. That is your 58.5. Now find out the equivalent mass of MgCl2. Molecular mass of MgCl2. Magnesium have atomic mass 24. 24 into 2 into 35.5 divided by total positive charge or negative charge. We know that total positive charge equal to total negative charge in a salt. And MgCl2 undergoes dissociation gives a Mg2 plus plus 2Cl minus. Remember here 2 plus, here 1, only 1 minus. But the coefficient is your 2, so 2 into minus 1 is your minus 2. Here 1 coefficient is your 1 into plus 2. That is your plus 2, here is a minus 2. Total positive charge equal to total negative charge. So we can put the value of positive charge or negative charge. Divide by, that is your 2, that is your 24, and that is your 71 divided by 2, 5, 9 divided by 2, 4, 47.5. The equivalent mass of magnesium chloride is your 47.5. Last is your equivalent mass of a radical. How can you find out the equivalent mass of a radical? Total ionic mass like molecular mass, there is also another term that is your ionic mass. Molecular mass related to molecule, atomic mass related to atom, ionic mass related to ion. Divided by magnitude of charge. Let me explain. Equivalent mass of SO4 2 minus. Ionic mass is your what? 1 into 32, 4 into 16. Divided by magnitude, then 2 minus is here present. So magnitude of 2 minus is your 2. That means 32. That is your 64 divided by 2. That is your 96 divided by 2. That is your 48. 48 is the equivalent mass of SO4. Like that, equivalent mass of Cl minus. There the 1 into 35.5 divided by 1. That is your 30.5. Here 1 is the magnitude of minus 1 charge and 35.5 is the atomic mass. Remember, atomic mass of chlorine 35.5. Ionic mass of Cl minus is also 35.5. There is no difference, only slight difference, but for problem we can consider as the same. Atomic mass of Cl equal to 35.5, ionic mass of Cl minus is 35.5. There is only difference, that is here one extra electron is present in Cl minus as compared with the Cl. So one electron have less mass, so we can do not consider, only take 30.55 and also for the 35.5. That is all about the calculation of equivalent mass of an element. Next is your acid, base, salt and radical.